Hello beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that is often overlooked in manifestation: art and creativity. Whether you're an artist or you haven't picked up a paintbrush since school, you can use creativity as a powerful way to bring your desires into reality. In this video I will show you how to use art, drawing, doodling and creative expression as magnetic manifestation tools, even if you don't consider yourself artistic. When you create art, you enter a flow state. That means you're fully present, relaxed, and aligned, which is exactly the frequency you need to attract your desires. Creative expression also activates the subconscious mind, the part of you that actually drives 95% of your actions, thoughts, and beliefs. When you draw, paint, collage, write, you're programming your subconscious with images and feelings of what you want, and that's incredibly powerful. Art makes your vision tangible. It gives forms to your dreams and emotions before they show up in your physical world. Let's explore 4 creative practices you can start using right now. No experience or fancy materials needed. Number 1. Manifestation sketchbook. Start a dedicated sketchbook or notebook where you draw or collage your desires. You can sketch your dream home, doodle what your ideal morning routine looks like, draw how you want to feel, confident, free, abundant. It is not about being good at drawing. It's about expressing visually what you want to invite in. Number 2. Collage your vision. Go beyond traditional vision boards. Make a collage journal using cut-out words, photos, textures, and symbols. Pick themes like wealth, love, travel, peace, creativity, and as you cut and paste, infuse these images with your intentions and emotions. Say to yourself, "This is already mine." Let it feel playful and sacred. Number 3. Symbolic art for affirmations. Turn your favorite affirmations into visual art. For example, if your affirmation is "I am confident," draw a lion or a sunrise. If your affirmation is "I am abundant," create golden swirls or flowing water. Symbols speak directly into your subconscious. You can hang this artwork where you'll see it daily. Reinforce the energy of your affirmation through art. And number 4, paint your emotions. Not all manifestation is about getting what you want. Sometimes it's about clearing emotional blocks. Use art as a release tool. If you're feeling stuck, anxious, frustrated, paint it, scribble it. Let it out with color and texture. Once it's out of your body and onto paper, you make space for new energy to come in. Now let's bust the myth, "I'm not creative." Yes, you are. Creativity isn't about making perfect art. It's about expression. It's about letting energy move through you and shape your inner world. So whether it's crayons, digital drawing apps, magazine clippings, finger painting, your art is valid, powerful, and magical. When using art to manifest, remember it's not about the final result, it's about the energy you infuse into it. So ask yourself, how do I want this art to feel? What energy am I calling in through this piece? Let joy, curiosity, and intuition lead. The more alive you feel when creating, the stronger your manifestation signal becomes. Okay, so here are 4 creative action steps you can try this week to manifest through art. First, I want you to start a manifestation sketchbook. Use it to draw or journal your desires visually. No rules, just vibes. Then I want you to do a mini collage ritual. Set aside 30 minutes to make a themed collage. Add music, tea, candles to make it a sacred moment. Then I want you to create symbol art for your affirmations. Just choose one affirmation and turn it into a visual form and hang it where you will see it often. And then lastly, release through color. Feeling blocked, grab colors and paper and let yourself release these emotions without overthinking. Reflect afterward on what came up. Comment below and let me know which one are you going to try first. or tag me on Instagram with your creative manifestation art. I'd love to see it. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more manifestation tips and tricks. And if you want more support on your creative journey, be sure to check out my website. I offer some ritual kits. I'll leave a description down below. Remember, you are a creator of art, of energy, and of your entire life. Your creativity isn't just for fun, it's one of your most powerful tools. Keep creating, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.